The Inspector General of Government, Kamya, has expressed gratitude for the opportunity to interact with members of the Inter-Religious Council of Uganda. Kamya acknowledged the vital support and cooperation between the two entities in their pursuit of a corruption-free Uganda.
It is time for the Inter-Religious Council to sponsor a cabinet paper through the line ministry, and I suggest the Ministry of State for Ethics, the Department of State for Ethics and Integrity in the Office of the President. If we talk to the Minister, you sponsor a cabinet paper, the Minister will take that paper to Cabinet, and the purpose of the paper is to ask Cabinet to create a budget line for the Inter-Religious Council of Uganda for corruption activities.
A partnership initiative was introduced to encourage leaders to actively engage in planning processes aimed at improving service delivery.
We have the instruments of authority to call these people to book, to ask them to explain their suspicious wealth. And if they cannot explain it, then we assume that they took advantage of their offices to siphon money from public resources, and that's the reason that service delivery is deplorable.
Kamya lamented that anti-corruption agencies, though established by the government, had often become entangled in boardroom discussions and facilitations, hindering their effectiveness.
So our new strategy is to go back to the drawing board and start by mobilizing the entire population, and especially the government actors, to adhere to the rule of law. And I think there we work very well together.
Kamya called on the public to recognize themselves as victims of corruption and encouraged society to reject the acceptance of this persuasive issue. Presiding Apostle Pastor Joseph Serada, representing the Inter-Religious Council of Uganda, highlighted rising education and healthcare costs profoundly affecting Ugandans' lives.
We request that the Office of the IGG frequently updates the nation on the steps taken, especially on high-profile corruption cases. A case in point of the Mabati question. We want to know where we are. This will restore public confidence in government and reduce the levels of helplessness that most Ugandans exhibit when corruption issues.
The meeting concluded with a shared commitment to intensify efforts in the ongoing battle against corruption, emphasizing the importance of unity and collaboration between religious leaders and government officials. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.